828 Find Adventure. I had to wait for that jet to fly over. Anyways, a company was nice enough to send me this cart to check out and kind of review. This cart could be used for camping or hauling stuff to your campsite if you go car camping. It could be used around the yard. It can be used for multiple things, especially if you live in a mid-rise apartment building with an elevator. It'd be great for that. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. And be very careful opening it up. Oh my, we got another box. Let's try this one. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, this is pretty cool. Huh. Check this out. It's pretty heavy duty. I think it's aluminum and like this hard plastic. Let's see here. There we go. It kind of looks like the way it goes. Let's see. Oh, look at that. This is kind of like those camping chairs I tried out. It's pretty neat. So let's sit this right here. We'll extend all that when I get it together. But otherwise, to fold this, it just folds flat like that. Then you can just fold it out. So let's see what we got here. We got some wheels. These are rubber and plastic type wheels. Here's another one. These have a sealed bearing inside. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Now, of course, I would have liked this in a more of a outdoorsy color like black or tan. Dark green would even suffice. Blue's okay. It's kind of beachy. All right, let's see here. We got a little book of directions. We put the box down. Here we go. Let's see what this is. So this goes on top of the cart when you have it assembled. Look at that. And it all folds up. So you go like this, put this inside, just like that. Got a place here. You can put a phone or drink. Straps here. Okay, let's get this assembled. This should be pretty easy. So on the back here, we've got a couple of places. These screws here. Let me show you. It comes with 2 of these screws and an Allen wrench. In the back corner here, you just put those in. First you put the wheel, then the screw, and they thread in. So let's do that. So you put the screw through that side, just like that, not the back side, this side. Put it down on there. Okay. I'm going to put the other one on right now. Just like that. Screw these down. I'm going to take this Allen wrench and tighten them. So I tightened them all the way tight, and then I backed off like a half turn. But this is made really well. I'm definitely going to use this when I go on vacation to take everything up to my room. Look at that. Okay. So now we need to attach the bag to it. That was easy. Let's see here. All right. So again, this bag, let me show you. You unfold it. this is basically like the lid. You fold up this, and then you've got two sturdy sides. All right, it's got some Velcro straps right here. So we're going to place this on here, like so. And per the directions, okay, those go like that. That goes like that over this. You can see. You've got two pockets here. We can raise this, just like that. Now let's fix this lid. The lid goes like this. You can even, if you want to, not have this. You can roll it up. Just like that. And you can put stuff in it. You know? Put whatever you got. It's very sturdy. And that would fit in any vehicle. It's small enough. It would fit in the hatchback or trunk of any compact car. Be perfect for that. All right. Good directions. This is the Kedsum foldable shopping cart. And it's pretty handy. I might try this at the grocery store. Okay, now here we have a quick 360 of me using this. And here I'm going to show you just how to fold it up again. See, it's easy. It folds up flat. It's great. The wheels don't come off. The wheels stay on, but it's still very thin. It's not heavy, even though the construction is really good. Okay, guys, I hope you like my video and demo of this cart. I used it in real circumstances, taking a bunch of refreshments and coolers to a tennis match, and it worked great. This is a very well built, heavy duty hand truck, and this bag on it is very heavy duty as well. Now you can use them together or separate; it doesn't matter. You can, and this hand truck's great because it folds up really small, and you could put it in the trunk of a Prius if you wanted to, just whatever, a Corolla, whatever you want to do, or the back seat. The wheels are really nice. Everything goes together really easy. It's in the video. I'll put links under the video to this company that makes all kinds of hand trucks and dollies and for different applications. It could be for picking up a fridge or putting your car on dollies and being able to move it around the garage just by pushing it sideways, or different types of aluminum hand trucks that are lightweight and easy to use. Very handy for some of the seniors out there who have to walk to get their groceries. But like I said, this is, very easy to use. So there you go. Follow the links. It'll take you to their store and to take you to this item and other items. And, check them out. If you would, leave comments. If you got any about this, any questions, like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. See ya.